You introduce yourselves?
Hi, my name is Kyleh. And my name is Asalee. We'll be performing L-O-V-E. Can I tell you something?
Okay, let's practice the moves in slow motion. So when you get home, you'll have the tutorial.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay, can you both see yourselves in camera? Can you scoot this way a little bit?
Oh.
Okay, so not that far. Not that far away. Okay, so first we have Kyleh. L is for the way you look at me. So right when you say the word me, so you bring your hands up and land on your chest, and you can bend your knees on the word me. And you can also kind of tilt your head to the side. Let's see, I don't know if I can get all of this in.
Look.
So rather than look at me like this, we're going to go me. Like kind of make it more cute. And then Asalee goes, O is for the only one I see.
Okay.
Then V is very, very, and then take your hands and go. Keep your palms facing out. Make a big circle. Extraordinary. Yeah. And then E
is
even more than.
anyone that you adore.
And then together. Love is all that I can give to you.
I usually do it like.
Well, we need to point our fingers towards the audience. Like
I
this.
am.
So
Straight.
with your palm. Yep, that's perfect.
I like to do it like this.
That's perfect, yeah. And then we have love is more than just when we get to the word game, take your hand, bring it backwards in a big circle. Game for two. And then balance the two. Two. And love can make it. Take my heart. And we're doing it the same way. Take my heart. Yep, bend your knees and look to the side. Like, or not look to the side, but like tilt your head to the side a little bit. Yep.
Like this.
Take my heart And then put your fist on your hip, straight elbow, and shake your head. And you can swing your hips a little if you want. Please don't break it. You can be a little sassy. Do not break my heart. That would be so rude. And then love was made for me and you. Okay, and then come here, step in front of me just a little bit so we can practice this part. So then we go opposite direction. So we're not going to take big steps like this. We're just going little step together.
Like
little
this?
step together.
Little.
But you come behind, so it's like step together, step together, step together, because it lasts for a while, so you don't want to go too far. And then after we get to the part where you turn and change directions, you come back together, step together, step together, step together, step together till you're at the spot where you're supposed to start, and then turn in a circle. And so if you turn, I didn't see which way you turn, but if you turn this way and you turn this way, so you're turning like your backs are towards each other, and then turn all the way around this way. If you can. Yep, and then we do the whole thing again.
It's more comfortable for me to do it this way.
Well, it will look a little nicer if you go the same.
But what if I forget?
Well, nobody will know. It'll
Yeah,
be okay.
no one knows what we do unless you post us.
That's true. Oh, sorry.
Hey!
Okay, let's try the second part. Ready? So, L is for the way
you look at me. O is for the only one I see. B is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore. And love is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. When love can make it, take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.
And then we do that 2 more times. Love was made for me and you. And then 1 more time. Love was made for me and you. And then this time,
But we're supposed to do it 3.
that was the 3rd time. And then we open up our arms on that U. So opposite of each other. So this way. And then while you're holding, take your tall arm up, bring it across. And you say,
Happy Valentine's Day!
yeah! Wow! You already did such a good job today.
Can I stop doing this?
Yep.